Here are some of the most unique hotels in the world. The Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. This luxury resort in the Maldives features the world's first underwater residence, where guests can sleep surrounded by marine life. Icehotel, Sweden. This iconic hotel is rebuilt every winter from snow and ice, offering a truly unique and ephemeral experience. Giraffe Manor, Kenya. This charming manor allows guests to have breakfast with giraffes, offering a unique wildlife encounter. The Silo, Cape Town. Housed in a historic grain silo, this luxury hotel offers stunning views of the city and harbor. The Library Hotel, New York City. Each floor of this hotel is themed around a different Dewey Decimal classification, making it a unique and intellectually stimulating experience. The Manta Resort, Pemba Island, Tanzania. This underwater room offers a 360-degree view of the vibrant marine life. The Kaxlautonen Arctic Resort, Finland. This resort offers a variety of unique accommodations, including glass igloos where guests can view the northern lights. The Wigwam Motel, San Bernardino, California. This quirky motel features rooms shaped like teepees, offering a nostalgic and retro experience. The Capsule Hotel, Japan. These hotels offer tiny, capsule-shaped rooms, perfect for budget travelers or those seeking a minimalist experience. The Palacio de Sal, Bolivia. This hotel is entirely made of salt, offering a unique and otherworldly experience in the Salar do Uyuni salt flats. These are just a few examples of the many unique hotels around the world. Whether you're looking for a luxurious escape, a quirky adventure, or a truly unforgettable experience, there's a hotel out there that will suit your needs. Note: the best hotel in the world is subjective and can vary depending on individual preferences. However, many of the hotels listed above are consistently ranked among the best in the world for their unique features, luxurious amenities, and stunning locations.